Hey guys, doing a fall service at this building that we do, and I walk up on this unit, change the filters, and it cycled on. I was like, let me hear it out, and the inducer was blowing, but there was no hot heat coming from the flue exhaust right there. So I took off the board here, and we got 2 flashes, and on this board, I don't know if you can see it, we got 2 as well. I'm gonna reset it and try to catch this guys for you so y'all can see it. But I'm gonna measure, I'm gonna measure the gas, make sure there's gas coming in. I'm gonna measure that, test that gas valve as well, see what we find. I got 27 volts, but it's not firing. I just missed it. I gotta get better with the camera, guys, but I just connected my manometer, and the gas valve tried again, and I was getting 6.5 inches of water column on the outlet. I have it connected on the outlet there. The inlet's on the bottom. The gas is coming through, going through that gas valve. So I had 26 volts, 27 volts, and I did have gas going through, which tells me, I believe it's gonna be that igniter. So I'm gonna test for power there next.
To zero this meter.
Yes, sir.
Now when it starts, it's gonna jump up, and it's gonna be in a negative, but it's going to be a negative 2 point something. I'm just giving an example. It could be 1.5. I don't know. It depends on the airflow that it's drawing through them holes on that plate.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then when the gas comes to it, then it's going to come up, back up towards zero.
Yeah, like how you drove here.
Yeah. It's going to start coming up because you are applying positive pressure. If you were adding negative pressure, the negative reading would have kept getting higher and higher. -3, -4, -5.
And you were saying that when we measured it, we were getting 0.3 when
it looked like that,
and
yes.
it needs to be 0.2 according to the manufacturer here.
That's correct.
On negative 0.2, which is right there. So we're gonna adjust.
We're gonna recheck it.
We're gonna recheck it.
Because we're zeroed out.
And then possibly
don't make no
adjust it.
adjustments yet.
Yes, sir.
Let's bring her on.
Got -3.
That's correct. That's not a negative 0.3, that's 3.
Okay.
Okay, we're at 3.
Oh, we're at 3.
-3 inches.
Okay.
Okay? And when it fires, this gas valve ought to open to around a negative 0.2.
Okay.
It may be 2.1, it may be 1.9.
.22. So that was correct, man. It pulled it where it's
Close
set at.
to it, yeah. That's pretty close.
All right. You think it's by igniter?
Probably. That's
We
probably.
We had 130 volts earlier.
You got an amp probe?
Yes, sir. Right there.
Okay, yeah, it's the igniter.
That's the igniter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go in and show that man.
Yep, bad igniter.
Yeah, you can go in there and show him.
Now, usually for this type of igniter, I don't have these on my van. I just have more residential igniters, but the senior tech I was working with, he's old school. He has it. So we got the igniter. It's a Trane. Got the gasket. He even gave me some of this stuff, high temp for the screws. So I'm gonna just do it the old school way, how he likes it done. But yeah, we'll see what it does. All right, guys, it's waiting right now. I just reset the breaker. I have the new igniter installed. Goes on pretty easily. So right now it's pulling 3. We need to get it, once it fires, it's gonna pull it at -0.2. That's what it's rated as. Nice and hot. She's firing. So that's what it was, guys. It was a bad, definitely bad. I just broke it even more, but bad igniter. So this is why we do preventive maintenance on fall service. Us coming out to check the filters, make sure everything operates for the fall. This was an early catch. They have multiple units, 2 on this side, 1 on the back, 1 on the other side, so they probably wouldn't even noticed it for a little bit longer. But the blower just kicked on, everything's cycling on. I'm gonna clean all this up and on to the next one. Thanks for watching.